Good morning. I'm gonna just remind everyone how to tune their guitar so when you get home to practice, you can make sure your strings are in tune. Especially if you have a newer guitar, it's gonna take some time to get your guitar strings kind of stretched enough so they'll stay in tune. And that's perfectly normal. If you're like, how does this keep getting out of tune? It's pretty normal. So this is the guitar tuner I'm going to use today. It's a Snark brand. You just press this button right here and it will light up. And when I play a string, let's see if it, you can see, oh, there it's lighting up. It shows me there is an E, and when it's in the middle, that means you're in tune. So I'm gonna stick this on the top of my guitar, and if you can see, there it is. And I'll play my first string, which is an E, and make sure that's in tune. And as you tighten the strings, I'm tightening it this way, away from me. It goes up in pitch, okay? And you can kind of experiment with it to watch the string go up. So you can hear that getting higher. Okay, I've gone too far, so I'm gonna back up a little bit to get it right on an E in that middle range. Okay. So you're gonna do that with every string. I'm just gonna give you each name of the note. The next is an A, okay? You're gonna tune it up until you find that A. Beautiful, okay? The next is a D. Okay, you're gonna tune it up. And usually, for me, mine are usually flat. The strings have kind of stretched out. So I usually have to tighten the strings. Not all the case. The other thing you want to make sure you're tuning, turning the right peg. So I'm doing a G now, and I'm turning on the bottom pegs, the farthest one away from me. You can also follow where that string, you can follow all the way up to here. Okay, and if your thing is you're turning the peg and your meter's not moving, you're probably turning the wrong peg. So just double check that. Okay, then we're gonna do a B. Okay, B is your fifth string. Beautiful. The last is also an E, an octave higher than your low. Good, so again, we've got E is your first string, A, D, G, B, and E. Okay, that's how you tune your guitar.